So this is a 2007 Jaguar X-Type. As you can see, it has seen rather better days in the past. The owner was teaching his girlfriend to drive, and she hit the accelerator instead of the brake and took it through a fence. So the top of the fence, well, the top of the gate then went all the way over the roof of the car, and it even down off the boot. So economical repair on this, it's not really going to happen, not to get it to any kind of standard where you'd recoup the money. So I figured what I could do is just have a bit of fun with this. So it is the 2.2 diesel. It has a 6-speed gearbox, it has 17-inch alloys, full leather interior, electric sunroof, it has GPS, full walnut dash, in-dash CD changer, and it's actually quite a nice car to drive for the little bit I've driven of it so far. So the plans currently are to try and do something about all this paintwork and all these dents, not by actually fixing it, but by just trying to make it look a bit prettier. So I ordered some paint last night, and the plan is to do the whole thing matte black, paint the wheels, get some vinyl on the roof and some vinyl on the sides as well, and just have a bit of fun with it, do something that's a bit different for a Jaguar X-Type. I was looking at getting a side exit exhaust on either side, but looking under the car, I just don't think it's viable. There's just no space under there. So I'm thinking probably 2 cherry bombs sticking out the back there beneath the parking sensors, which don't seem to work. So that's the project as it stands. Tune in for more progress.